Okay. This is a Gibson Nordyne heat pump. Oh, it just shut off. There's like water in it. It's got a crankcase heater. There's a reversing valve, so it's obviously a heat pump. It is a really wonderful install. Replaced the carrier around one from like 80 something. And that is a Copeland compressor. But here's the awesome wiring job. They used the old line set, smaller one coming out of the house, and just horrible install. Y'all can read it's from 06 or 07. I think it's 06. Yeah, 06. R22 Nordyne, St. Louis, Missouri. Cheap, flimsy thing. This thing is cheap. The guy said he paid about $1,200 for it. What is this? Huh. It's not in bad shape, it's just unreliable. The coils are already deteriorating. But yeah. It's got a GE fan motor, but anyways, over and out.